Equality methods. There is only one equality method, called SequenceEqual, that can be used in a LINQ query. In the next video I will explain this method in detail. But before that, let's understand what does equality mean. Equality is the process of comparing two sequences to see if they have the same elements in the same order. This can be useful when you need to verify that two sequences contain the same data, or when you need to compare the results of two different queries. SequenceEqual returns true if the two sequences have the same number of elements, and each element is equal and in the same order, otherwise it returns false. For example, the following two sequences. Using SequenceEqual I will get true, because both sequences have the same data in the same order. On the other hand, I will get false as result for these two sequences, because they have different elements. In summary, we have two sequences, which we want to compare. We use SequenceEqual method to compare both sequences. As a result, we either get true or false. This is what does SequenceEqual in general mean.